Greetings, everyone. This is Brian Sapinski for my channel here, Learn Math with Brian Sapinski. And happy summer 2019 to all of you. This is a special video that's going to serve a couple of purposes. The first thing I want to explain with this video is what a couple of things that you could expect for this channel over the coming year. You heard me in a previous video that I posted a few months back talking about what was going to be coming soon to the channel. Well, during the course of the last school year, I was doing a lot of work with regards to just updating and fine-tuning my videos and stuff like that. And now you haven't seen any of them yet, but eventually you are going to, because in the coming school year for both Algebra 1 and Geometry, which is going to be my main discipline next year, you're going to start to, from the beginning of the curriculum, see all the videos in their proper curriculum order, and we'll be able to use them, hopefully for your own learning purposes. But in the meantime, there's also going to be something else that I'm planning for next year, and that involves these two guys right here. This is my older daughter Brianna, and my little guy Joey here. Yeah, Mr. Party Animal here, as it is. Okay, you're going to be seeing them and me face to face on the channel quite a bit during the next, hopefully, several years on this channel, because as it stands right now, Brianna is 10 years old. She's going to be going into 5th grade next year. And Joey, by the time the next school year starts, he's going into 1st grade. He's going to be turning 6 in August. So what we spoke about is that what we're going to do is, starting in the fall, you're actually going to be seeing these guys in special videos each and every week. What's going to happen is we're going to go over each week's math curriculum for both of their respective grades. We'll post those videos in real time so that you can follow along and help your little ones learn, or whatever the case is. And hopefully, as the next 4 years roll along, you'll be able to have by then seen all of the 1st through 8th grade mathematics curriculum, and again, be able to use it however it is that you need to or see fit. So I hope you will enjoy it, and I hope you'll enjoy these guys as you get to watch them, grow up, and in the case of some of them at any given point, just be completely silly. But right now, as part of just introducing them and saying hi or whatever, I thought it would be nice to get the ice broken with them by playing a little game that I've explained to both of them. This is a classic game from back in the days of PBS in the late 80s, early 90s, when they used to have a show that was very important to me when I was growing up, called Square One TV. It was basically the Sesame Street and Saturday Night Live sort of kind of sketch format, but all around math concepts. And occasionally they did some game show segments, and we're going to play one of them right now. We're going to be playing their classic game show segment, But Who's Counting? Okay, all right. As Joey finds his pencil. Okay, so, all right. Okay. You can tell they're excited. Okay, I have explained the rules to both of them. I'll just explain it real quick to you guys as well. Okay, music's done. All right. In this bag, as I have it here, I am going to be digging into the bag. I have placed, now they did this with a wheel, but we don't have a wheel with the proper number of spaces. That's why I know you're looking at me. But let me just explain what it is. I have placed 20 ping pong balls in this bag. Each of these ping pong balls contains a number from 0 to 9, like so. The object in each round of the game is that these guys are going to be, as I draw each number, they're going to write a number on one of the blanks on their little scorecard, like so. The idea is to create the largest number that they possibly can based on what they draw. So if you want to play along, you can try it. Remember, the idea is, if you see me draw a bigger number, you're going to want to try to place it further to the left. If you see me draw a smaller number, like a 1 or a 0, you're going to probably want to place it more to the right. Judge where you think the next numbers are going to come up. This is going to be completely random. We're going to do best 2 out of 3, and the rules, we're going to change them slightly each time according to the slightly different nuances that they did on the actual show. So if you're ready, and here we go, we are going to draw the first number here. And we are starting with a big old 8. Okay, so place the 8 where you think it's going to go best. Okay, all right, okay, don't say any more. Okay, and remember, once you place a digit on the board, you can't move it.
I feel like I'm gonna regret this.
Okay, but we'll figure it out. Just don't say a word. Don't give anything away about yourself. And next we have a 2. Okay, low number this time. Strategize where you think it is best to place it. Here we go. Third digits of the first round is going to be we have a 5 for you to consider. Place the 5, please. Okay, the next number. I'll switch hands for this one. We have a 6. We have a 6. Place the 6. Place the 6. And the final number of the first round is going to be we have a 0 to finish.
0. Yeah.
As you can see the results at the bottom of the screen. Brianna,
I lost.
yes, unfortunately, she got snaked right at the end. Her number is 8,562. Joey, however, decided the 8 was going to be the biggest number he was going to see, and he was right. He got 86,250. So the first round goes to Joey.
Kill it!
Okay. In the second round, this time the 5 numbers that I draw are going to be placed in this format where they're going to have to make a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number, and we will add the numbers that we get at the end. We'll see who has the biggest sum. Let's see what happens as we go to the second game. Here we go. First number up for game number 2. Let's see. This time we're going to start with a 2. We're starting with a 2. Decide very carefully where that 2 is going to go as we draw for the next number. And the next number is going to be come around, and we have a 0 again. A 0. Okay.
Why?
Because that's what came up. Okay, here we go. Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why did I leave Ohio?
You should have only put 1 0.
Okay, and next we have a 7 for you. A 7. Decide where the 7 is going to go. Okay, here comes the next number. All right. How are you guys doing watching the video here? Let's see what we can get. And we have this time, we have a 1. A 1. Be very careful where you put that 1 in the final 2 places. And here we go. The final number, which could very well decide this round, is going to be, we have a 9.
Yes!
We have a 9.
Yes!
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
yes.
So now we put in.
Finally, something different.
Okay. All right. This time around, we have Brianna with a total of 982 as her sum. And for Joey, his sum, 937. So Brianna has tied it up. She has won the second round. All right, so it is all tied up 1 round apiece. Now, for the final round, we're going to ratchet up the difficulty just a little bit, very slightly, because they didn't go too crazy. This time I will draw 6 numbers, and they're going to have to make 2 3-digit numbers. So, again, there may hope for big numbers, and you know where to put them. Okay, so here we go. First number in the tiebreaker. Here we go. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see who wins this one. Okay, we are going to start with. We are going to begin with, if I can find the number. We are starting with a 7, a nice big 7. Okay. Figure out where that 7 is going to go. Here we go. Where are you guys putting them out there? Let's see. Next number we have is, we have a 6. We have a 6. Place the 6. Place 6. Place 6. Place. Okay, well, let's see. Figure it out. And next up on the docks, we have a little bitty 1. A little 1.
Why?
Okay.
We're horrible low numbers.
Okay, let's see what we get here. Next up we have a big old 9.
Yes,
Can't do better than 9. Let's see. Okay, let's see where we got. Next number up is we have a 9 again.
Yes!
We have a 9 again.
Yes.
A 9 again.
I bet you it's just gonna be another 9.
And the final number is going to decide the winner. There's no 10. There are no 10s in here, Joey. The final number is a 3. It is a 3 to put the last one. Okay. And we have the results for Brianna. She has a final total of 1,754. And for Joey, he has a final total of 1,340. So Brianna is the winner of the competition. Yeah. However, Joey, before we started this, we did a couple of practice rounds where we kept drawing really low numbers, and he won both of those rounds. So it's clear to say both of these two guys played this game great, and I hope you enjoyed seeing them and getting to know them. And as said, you're going to see them a lot over the coming months, years, and everything like that as these guys go through their different curriculums, and you'll see that and a whole lot more coming on this channel very soon. In the meantime, if you'd like a head start on anything that will ultimately appear on this channel on any grade level of math, shoot me an email at brian.sapinski@gmail.com, and I'll answer your questions. If there's anything you'd like me to preview, we could very well put up some videos ahead of time. In the meantime, say goodbye to these guys, and we will see.
Why did you have to do that?
It's going to be a long 4 years, isn't it? See you soon, everyone.